which is more pressure, and I don't like pressure. So I feel pressure and aggravated and agitated. Ho, ho, ho. Y'all, I look the fuck terrible, okay? Pop it, pop it, pop it. First of all, I had to get them nails off my hand. The little short black set, I be letting my daughter work on her skills on me. And they came out super duper cute, my little short ones. But now I think I'm ready for like some longer sculpted nails. I feel like I want to go back a little bit long. Yeah, so I'm about to head to the nail shop. And this is the fucking nail shop that I hate, y'all. Y'all know which one I hate. The one where it's always some drama there. But the one that I normally go to, I don't even think they open, because I've been trying to call them to get, like, you know, a time frame for how long is the wait if I go up there. But they keep telling, I mean, it keeps going to like this voicemail type situation. So I'm, you know, and it's Saturday. So like, what nail shop ain't open on Saturday? That shit don't even make no sense. Like, how y'all the nail shop and y'all not answering? That's what it is for me. Like, folks is trying to get their after holiday nails done. Like, what is up? I'm not even gonna chance it. I'm just gonna pull up to the trap house. Let me see what it's looking like. What it's looking like. Cause I don't feel like dealing with no attitudes, no mad bitches, no bitches talking about, I was next. Don't have time, okay? Per usual, please y'all pray for me while I'm up in this nail shop. I wandered down here to Joann's again, and I need to stay away from this place, but we need a couple more stockings for Christmas. I have some hanging up, but we need like a few more. So I feel like, I don't know, I feel like I kind of like this one, and I think they on sale for like 40% off. So now is literally the time to get something. This one is cute. This one is cute. Pretty honestly, being 100 with you. So let's put that shit back. This one is kind of cool. And then I need a lining too. Okay, so this is really good. Like, I almost ate the whole thing and I wasn't able to, man, give y'all an inside view, because let me tell you something. This is really, really good, honestly. That's my baby over there snoring. She not feeling good, so she got some cold medicine, and she is like out like a lamp. Good morning, y'all. Today is, oh, you guys see my nails? So cute. So much shit has happened in the last like week. I've been a shitty vlogger. It's been horrible, but you know what? My assignments at school just got real tough out of the blue. But anyway, I think that part is behind me for a little while. So I did my hair. Yeah, I have tape-ins. These are tape-ins. This is my first time ever having tape-ins, and so far I like them. Actually, I did them myself. Y'all know I get into all type of shit, so I might do my hair, I might make some clothes, I might make some music. I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling that day. So I put the tape-ins in myself. I watched a couple videos, like, you know, can't be that fucking hard. And I be looking at like Kyra and Aaliyah's face. I couldn't visualize the name. Looking at them two, and they wear tape-ins. I don't think Kyra wears them consistently, but I know that Aaliyah wears tape-ins quite a lot. So I'm like, well, you know, that's an alternative, because I do like extensions for sure. Right now, okay, so what I did with them was did them versatile. So I have a side part now. I can also do a middle part, and I can also do a half up, half down. So don't play with me, okay? Per usual, with nothing I put my hands on, don't play with me. Right now, okay, so I woke up this morning not in a good mood. I woke up this morning pressured. I don't like that. I don't like to be pressured. Some people be like, oh, I work well under pressure. I don't. I get angry, I get a little mad, I get agitated under pressure. And it's not sometimes it's the person that's applying the pressure, but a lot of times it could just be the pressure itself. So like this morning, I knew I had to go get a COVID test. That's a whole nother setup. All right, I'm gonna tell y'all about that in a second. It's just shit is hitting me all at one time, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do everything that I'm trying to do, which is more pressure. And I don't like pressure. So I feel pressured and aggravated and agitated. So I'm about to go get me a fucking matcha from I'm about to go get me a matcha, because I don't even want to be a part of it anymore, honestly. Do I want to eat something? No. Do I? No. Cause you know what, them croissants be good, don't get me wrong, but I don't like ham. So luckily I just completed my homework assignment, or else that'll be more pressure on me. The fucking assignment was 20 pages. 20 pages. I don't even think it was meant to be 20 pages, but I'm thorough like that, so I don't want to leave no stone unturned. I don't want her writing me back with more pressure, talking about, oh, you didn't complete this, oh, you didn't complete that. I don't want to hear it. Okay, I'm back. I got my matcha. Woo! Of course, it's always somebody. How many times? Hello? Hi. This is she. I'm in the city I work in. Now I'm trying to see, do I see any of my patients? It's sad. I think that's like a psych nurse kind of thing. I don't know if you guys do psych. Anybody does psych out there, but y'all probably can attest to what I'm saying. Like, alright, so I'm done with that shit. And not me seeing one of my patients in there. COVID test is done. That's one source of pressure the fuck out of my hair. Good afternoon. Happy December, y'all. Like, this is wild how quickly December has approached. It's gonna be the end. It's gonna be another year. Fuck the end of the year. It's gonna be a whole nother year. 2023. That is wild to me. Like, 2022 flew by. Now I hope 2023 fly by, so when 2024 come, I can graduate from school. You know what I'm saying? I posted a reel on Facebook. I think it's doing okay. I don't know why my bonuses for reels are not working right now, but I'm a little bit upset behind that because, you know, come on, give me my check. I'm gonna do it very briefly because y'all kind of on a lean and I got y'all propped up on something. But I just have on a one piece. I want my waist beads on the outside because I just felt like zhuzhing it up a little bit. But I have on like just like a little one piece that I got from, I want to say it was Amazon I got it from. Anyway, this is it. This is the outfit of the day. I am going to probably not put any makeup on because I just don't feel like that shit today. Now, if I go somewhere, I'll put some makeup on, but as it stands, I'm not going anywhere, so I'm not putting any makeup on. The skirt, here it is. It's already pinned and ready to go, but this was a robe at one point, and I took this piece off, cut it into a skirt, sewed it a little bit, hemmed it, and then I'm about to apply this piece back on and use it as like a wrap. Why you not? I get to see that very clear. The little slide on the floor got to stop. All right, good evening, everybody. I'm a little slow to respond today because you know what? My kid's trying to get me sick, but it's not happening, okay? I'm about to fight this cold to the death. But today is somebody's birthday. I don't know who. Turned 9 today. She's my Sag baby, so she turned.
I'm 20.
Okay, she turned 9 today, so I think we're gonna go and hang out a little bit for her. But I just threw on some clothes. I just have on, you guys have seen this fit already because I took pictures in it, but I just have on like a little loungewear fit. I have my hair up in a
ponytail,
high ponytail. Tape ends are here for the win, but I still haven't eaten. Why don't I ever eat? Yeah, I need to eat something. And like I said, that's laundry over there. I do have the sniffles, so my face is a little bit swollen. And I have been like wiping my nose and stuff, but we're gonna make it. We're gonna make it through. Cause as a parent, I cannot drop the ball.
Ho, ho, ho.